Guys, you're welcome back here. So, in my last video, I talk about this Qubits cube, and I make video about everything you need to know about it. If you want to check that video, if you want to watch that video to see everything, you can check below this video. You will see this the link to the video. Just click on it and it will direct you. It will take you to the video. So in my last video, I'm talk about something about my profit from what I invest on the robot on the boat, and I told you that I'm going to make another video to show you my profits of 12 hours. My profit of 12 hours. I told you in the video that I'm going to show it to you. So if I click here, I have done it twice now since that yesterday that I upload the video. So I'm going to show you my profit here now. You can go and watch the video to know my balance, my first balance, and my you can see my normal balance now, my now balance, the balance that I have now. So if I click on this other lock, you are going to see it here. You are going to see it here. You can see this is it here. These are the profit I make. You can see it. 12 hours. 12 hours. I start with this amount. I start with $21.41. You can see, and I make this 0.2432. Then after that duration end, I start another one again which lasts for 12 hours, and I make this again 0.2325. So you can see, so these are the I think that is about like 2%. I think it's about 2%. Let me do the calculation to see how much I make. That is 2%. If I get it right, that is 2%. 21. I don't think that is too small. Okay, 1% for 12 hours, but for 24 hours, I'm going to get 2%. So I think this is one point something percent. Yes, this is 1.1. This is it this is 11%. Okay, 1 point I think 1.1%. This is 1.1%. But if it is 12 hour 24 hours, so it's I can say it's 24 hours because these two I made it today. This one is the one I do yesterday night and I sleep off. So this morning when I check it, I met this. So that is the first 12 hours. And this morning when I start it again, I made this. So in 24 hours, I'm making 0.47. $0.47. That is the amount I'm making in 24 hours on this money. That is the amount. So and one thing you should know, that the more your balance increase here and you redo it again, now I want to do it again, that means the what I'm going to make might even be more than what I make before, because this is just like you're using your retained profits to invest again. So the more money you have there, the more uh profit you are going to be getting, because you are using your retained profits with your capital back, and you are using it to invest again. So your money will keep on increasing. So now let me continue and redo this thing again. When I want to withdraw, I'm going to show it to you. Withdrawal is going smoothly every day by day. There are a lot of people here around me that are doing it and are withdrawing. If you need screenshot of withdrawal, I can even still show it to you in my group chat. So now I will go to the Cube shop now and reactivate for another 12 hours now. So this 12 hours, this one is 24 hours, but the minimum to start with this one is $100. Just know that. So this one is the one I am doing, 12 hours. So let's do this 12 hours. So if I do it now, this is time around 8:08. So by 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 in the morning, I am going to get my next profit again. So I'm going to click on use right now and reinvest on it. So I want to use everything again, and I'm going to select the first server. So use everything again. I'll select the first server, then click on create. uh Click on create. So this is the code here. That is the code of what you just input now. So that is the code has been generated here. So now click on create. You can see success. That means that both have been created, have been uh activated. And just wait until this thing load finish. When it load finish, then you will see running here. Don't close this page, just wait for it to load finish. So you can see now it's now running. So it will run for 12 hours, and I'm going to get another extra profit. So when I get the profit, I might still show it to you, or I might not make another video until if I want to withdraw. Maybe tomorrow I might just try to withdraw and show you the proof, then I will reinvest again. So guys, this is what I just have for you. You can see they have deducted money again, like my first video. So the money will return back here with my profit and capital, everything together. So one thing I want to show you again, let me show you something here. Click on that cube shop. Let me show you something I don't mention in that first video. This gift here, so it means you can gift a boat to your friends. If you click on gift now, then input the quantity of the boat you want to give to your friend, then input your friend ID here, then click on confirm. Then you will gift the code, the boat to your friend. The AI, you will gift it to your friend, and your friend can use it if your friend don't have. So that is it. That is the information I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to keep on following me up, that is subscribe to this channel. Just click on that subscribing button. It take you nothing, it doesn't cost you anything. Just click on subscribe so that anytime I drop another video, you will quickly see the notification on your phone screen. And don't forget to hit that like button. See you soon in my next video. If you are interested on this platform, check the description of this video. You will see the registration link there and the link to my first video there. So guys, goodbye, thank you.